Welcome back to the channel. Right, today let's do a deep dive into glass cloths, the differences between blend, build and absorbency, and which one or which combo gets your glass perfectly clean. And here we have the four main contenders. Four very different looking glass towels. Before I dive into each one, let me just sum up. These two do the cleaning, these two do the finishing. This is your waffle towel, great for liquid glass cleaners. The low pile for the creams and polishers. The HD for the final wipe down, and the Ultra HD for fingerprints and smudges. Cloth 1, the waffle. It's a 70-30 mix, polyester polyamide, which gives it a soft, flexible feel designed to drink up the liquid. The grid helps it glide across the glass, which is a lifesaver on larger panels. The raised edges bite and they cut deep into the dirt and lift it without smearing, so it's actually a very clever design that covers all bases, cleaning smear-free and lint-free. It's got high absorbency, great with sprays, and a top tip, don't use your spray glass cleaner on the inside. Spray it on the cloth and avoid drips and spots all over the dash. Cloth 2, the low pile, another 70-30 mix, but this time in a short pile construction. Using this for liquids can sometimes feel a bit draggy, but use it on creams and polishers and it's just got enough bite. It's the perfect tool for the job. It's got high absorbency, no pockets, short pile, soft but sturdy. Cloth 3, the HD. Now this is an 80% 20% mix, polyester to polyamide. This one's all about control. It's not a cloth to load up with product, it's more about the finish. No fluff, no drag, no lint. It's got low to moderate absorbency, so I wouldn't use it with a product. It's just great for final wipe downs. If your glass is not that dirty, you can actually just wet this style of cloth and clean it with water. Cloth 4, the Ultra HD, 100% polyamide. This is hydrophobic, so you don't want to use it with product or with water. It will spread it around rather than soaking it up. So this lives in your glove box, great for smudges, fingerprints, interior screens, leaves them crystal clean. And then finally, a curved ball from Chemical Works, the carbon glass towel. This has got 18% carbon fibre strands weaved in, which makes it more abrasive, and it's supposed to give you better cut. So I suppose it could be ideal for removing bugs and deposits from glass and headlight lenses. And there you go, glass towels explained. There is no more excuse for smeary glass. I'll put links to all of the glass cloths here below in the description, and I'll also put links to our TikTok and our Instagram. Make sure you check them out. We'll see you next time.